Come test drive the 2015 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, cruise control, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.